The assigned seat signals are. Please operate.
お茶などという大衆迎合的飲料など飲めるか。俺が飲むのは選ばれし者の知的飲料。
特ペだね。
Look, it's Tokyo Sky Tree over there. Yeah, I'm just right now at I forgot how the river is called. Down there is a river, and yeah, I've just come here to. It's super chill. It literally feels like I'm in an anime with these like hill thing next to the river. And yeah, I'm just walking around a little bit, yeah, using the kind of nice weather, and yeah, it's got a little bit cold, so it's not like you can walk around like in a t-shirt at night anymore, but still it's pretty nice weather. And I don't know, I think I might grab something to eat at Kombini, the convenience store, and then yeah, find a nice place to sit and to eat and enjoy life. So I don't know if you can even see me on the cam. Even though it's night, I think I can give you a very good yeah, I can show it very good. You see all these lights at the horizon. This is all Tokyo. This all the way back there. This behind this river is all Tokyo, and it continues like that for quite a while. So yeah, it's huge. It's like as high as I could have never imagined. So it's completely crazy to imagine that this is all city, all huge buildings, all full of people, and for all this down there, this way is the harbor, Tokyo harbor. And yeah, this I think must be Tokyo Sky Tree, what I showed you. And yeah, Tokyo continues this way, this way, this way, all the ways. So yeah, it's I can't imagine. It's so crazy. I can't even find the right words, but yeah, just wanted to show you that because it's very cool to see that from this perspective, because this is like a river which like goes through Tokyo, or not Tokyo, but this area, and behind that, yeah, Tokyo. Very crazy. Alright guys, we got the goods. I don't know if you can see it at all, but this is like a burrito, so they warm it up for you if you want. Some sandwiches and some water, and yeah, I'd say let's go. That must be it. Yes, okay. For your interest, all this, like the burrito and the sandwiches and the water, together cost 662 yen, so that would be around €4.50, or I think the dollar and the euro are the same right now, so 662 equals, yeah, €5.54. So that's what this costs. This one is like maybe €1.60 or something. This one is like 150 maybe, and the water is like 70 cents maybe. So you can compare that if you want to wherever you live, how the prices are there. I mean, these aren't cheap food. For example, there's a place called Yoshinoya where you can buy, I forgot what it's called, it's like rice with fried chicken. You can order that. It's a pretty good meal, it's very tasty, and it gets you filled pretty good, I would say. And this also costs like 650 yen, so €4.50 for a whole meal. I think that's decent, but that's also one of the cheapest places where you can eat. So yeah, something like €4.50 for a meal is here a cheap way to eat. And if you cook your own food, it's even cheaper. But yeah. Or as you can see, everything is packed in a lot of plastic, and yeah, might be the reason why Japan is #1 in, or I think among the first among plastic waste for countries. So yeah, how is it separated? It's like 2 sandwiches. I can get it out. Alright guys, I don't even know if you can see me. I don't know if I can turn around somewhere. Maybe my face will appear in the dark. But yeah, I'm heading home now. It's getting a little bit chilly. I'm heading back, but yeah. Thanks for watching this video, and yeah, I might see you in the next one. Bye!